What are the best exercise for diabetes management?
So, there are various exercises that are being suggested for diabetes management, but fundamentally, there are three types for various, that addresses various things. First is aerobics, like walking, jogging, swimming, which will help in improving insulin sensitivity or improving the production of insulin. The second one is basically muscle strengthening training. So they actually you have to lift weights. Such things will help in improving the absorption of sugars. And the third one is more for relaxation, yoga, pranayama, and all, which will keep you away from stress. So these are three types of exercises for which you have to inculcate in your entire week.
How does exercise affect blood sugar levels?
So basically, whenever you do exercising, say for example, I just said, when you're swimming and or when you're doing some muscle strengthening training or you're doing relaxation yoga asanas and pranayama, it helps improve your body muscles and it helps, improve the absorption of breaking down of sugars and absorption, proper absorption. So these will help in also reducing the sugar levels overall.
What precautions should I take before starting a new workout routine?
So if you're starting the workouts, now and then you are planning for it, fundamentally you have to understand, your blood sugar levels, consulting with your physician on, that you're planning to do this kind of a workout and this is the plan. And they may also suggest on what is suitable for you because sugar levels, the condition is individual to individual, it varies. So it is very important that you do it. And the second one is also plan your day properly. When you're doing your exercise, ensure that you're carrying some quick sugar, bites like a juice. Yeah. So these are the things you can take care of when you're planning out your exercises.
What snacks are best for post workout recovery in diabetes?
So post workout recovery, it is very important that you take care of the muscle strengthening and then anti-inflammation because sometimes muscles will start being painful basically. So according to me, what I usually enjoy and I advise also is to have hot milk with turmeric and spices. It is basically turmeric. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Milk gives enough protein and then required fats. And then after a while of having that hot golden milk, which we also call as, have boiled sprouts salad. So that again gives you fiber and then protein and then they are easily digestible because you are having it boiled. So this is a very wholesome breakfast, I would say, or a snack after you work out.